class.
Good morning, sir.
So, I am Lodimardo Piegos, your student teacher for this morning. Before we proceed our new topic, let us recall our previous, what we discussed earlier of Miss Lisana's topic. Anyone? Mr. Lambot?
So, earlier, Mrs. Salisana discussed about the historical of Kimchi and Ashara.
Thank you, Mr. Lambot. So, earlier we discussed the history of kimchi and achara. Since we discussed kimchi and achara, so I will short motivation. Motivation. So, asa man diri ang fermented sa picture?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. So, Miss Diande, so since kay tinaran niyo 1 and 4, then masay rason nganong kaning mosulod man o masay kanang causes nganong ferment man ang kimchi and achara. Tingnan mo na kay idea.
Most like, i-first na parang sa ma-preserve, isa ang ma-preserve and also sa ilagay texture and ang taste mo nila kung sour and sweet ang gihanap, mas sour and sweet pag i-ferment.
Thank you. So, Miss Bayor, what it causes sa fermentation? What it causes? What it causes sa fermentation? Usay causes nga nang mag-ferment man ang kimchi ba? Usay mga kan.
Usay
Usay mga causes. Usay man okay. Thank you for your answer, Ms. Bayor. So, let's proceed for our
main topic.
So, please read the title of the topic.
Microbiological dynamics and biochemical changes during fermentation.
And please read everyone.
At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify key microorganisms involved in fermentation, the pathophysiology
What's it?
explain pH reduction and flavor development during fermentation, analyze the effect of temperature on fermentation rate and microbial activity.
Alright, thank you. So, these are the following question para masabitan nato kung sa ang microbiological dynamics and biochemical changes during fermentation. What is causing food to ferment? So, mo tayong pangutan na what is causes food to ferment. So, ngayon na gamay nga mga nakuha ni Miss Bayor. Then, why does fermented food become sour? Then, Miss Lisa is ang answer niya. Then, what factors affect fermentation? Anyone? Annalyn. What factors affect fermentation? Kasi mga factor nga nung maka-affect sa fermentation. Parang sa inyo nga.
Based sa discuss kayo na ni Miss Elisana, ferment din mo siya dito sa kalabitang sa na temperature nga exactly para ma-ferment ang imuhang gusto nga i-ferment.
Alright, thank you. So, let's proceed. Please read everyone.
Microbiological dynamics and biochemical changes during fermentation. Refers to the interaction of microorganisms in chemical processes that occur as well as during fermented products by limiting flavor and shelf life.
So, biological dynamics and biochemical changes during fermentation refers to the interaction of microorganisms and the chemical changes of the fermentation. Then, Fermentation. Fermentation is a biochemical process in which microorganisms such as bacteria convert sugars into organic acids, gases, or alcohol under controlled condition, usually without oxygen. So fermentation is a biochemical process which is ang nagkakuha na sa microorganisms kaning such as bacteria. Ang bacteria is ang sugar, i-convert niya to organic acids, to gases, or alcohol to under controlled condition, like kanang room temperature. Usually, walay oxygen nga naka-involve. So, key microorganisms in fermentation is Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus produces lactic acid, lowers pH, and ensures food safety. So, isa mo nakabati og Lactobacillus. Isa na? Isa nakabati og Lactobacillus? Yes, thank you. So, Euconostoc initiates fermentation and produces flavor compounds. So, Euconostoc is a bacteria, microorganisms, siya ang mag-initiate sa para ma-ferment ang imuhang i-ferment nga like kimchi or atsara. Then, Weissella. Weissella is active in the early stages and contributes to microbial balance. So, ang Weissella is siya ang bacteria, microorganisms nga in the early stage of fermentation, sila ang mag-contribute o kanang ano bitong dili makadaghan ng microbes or bacteria para dili kayong sobra sa imong fermentation dili siya mo madaot. Siya ang mga kanang mag-balance sa kanang imong fermentation. Din mo ni ang Lactobacillus. Mo ni siya ang iyang microscopic image sa Lactobacillus. This is Euconostoc. Ako magbantay ko kung ang galing mo. Kaya dili tanang bacteria is bad, dili po tanang bacteria is good. Weissella is mga kunin, para sila ko nang nakabantay sa atong nagtanong to sa microscope dito sa kang serotonil sa paan. Then, fermentation pathway. Lactic acid fermentation. During lactic acid fermentation, bacteria consume sugars like glucose and convert them into lactic acid. This process results in decrease in pH, increase in acidity, inhibition of harmful bacteria, development of sour taste. So, there is a fermentation pathway. Ang bacteria is iyang ikaon ang kaning sugar, then di-convert niya to acid. Then, dili makalong ang increase in acidity, inhibition of harmful bacteria if dili nimo tarungon o kuan nimo ang kimchi or atsara ay mo fermentation o lang matuntanin siya. Then dili tungod mahitabo ang development of sour taste tungod sa bacteria kay himo man ni bacteria i-consume man ni bacteria ang sugar to make lactic acid lactic acid. pH reduction. pH reduction occurs when acids are produced during fermentation, making environment more acidic. This acidic condition helps prevent growth of harmful microorganisms, extend shelf life of food, improve safety. So kaning dila sa pH reduction is kaning dili na ma-involve ang kaning So dili na ma-involve sa pH reduction ang environment. So kung ang environment nimo is kaning dili kayo kuan comparable sa microorganisms, dili na ang mahitabo ang growth sa harmful microorganisms. Then, flavor and aroma development. Everyone please read chorus.
During fermentation, microorganisms produce compounds such as organic acids, alcohols, and esters that contribute to the unique taste, smell, and aroma of fermented foods like atsara and kimchi.
So, makabantay mo, para kung simot mo sa atsara, kanang dugay na kayo sa ferment is sakit sa ilong. Sakit ang kanang masimot niya ang soka o ang kan. Pero, kana siya ang kuan is sakit man siya simuton or lain siya simuton, pero ang iyang lasa is lami. Then, dili na organic ang microorganism kuno mo produce siya og volatile. So ang volatile is makabantay mo kana bitawng gases nga like kanang sa yes, thank you. Tapos is Flamin, no? So, mo na yung mga nga, even nga magbula-bula sila, nga na, mo na yung i-produce ng organic acid, alcohol, and esters to contribute to unique taste, smell, and aroma. Then, next is effect of temperature. Philippine context niya, dili lang tayo mag-base sa kanan niya. So, in tropical countries like Philippines, high temperature accelerate fermentation because microorganisms grow faster in warm conditions. So, however, too high temperature, fermentation or spoilage. Ma-over-fermented or mapanos. Kung tulo po ang temperature is hinay ang fermentation. So, I have a question. What happens if fermentation is too fast, gani? Miss Bernales? What happens if fermentation is too fast? Fast kaya ako.
It leads to faster spoilage.
Right? You know? So, microbial stability. Microbial stability refers to maintaining the right balance of beneficial microorganisms during fermentation to ensure consistent quality of prevent contamination. So, there is a microbial stability. Kani diri is balance lang ang distribution sa microorganisms para ang mga fermentation is malikayan dito ang contamination tapos ang fermentation nimo is kaning sakto ang padulungan dito dili mapanos, dili madaot or unsa pa. Then why is microbial balance important? Miss Umilda. Ano importante man ang microbial balance?
Kaya sisama na mo yung main kuan para ma-ferment
Alright, thank you. Then, summary table. So, concept. Fermentation, ang meaning niya, conversion of sugar into acid by microbes. Lactobacillus produces lactic acid. Diatonostoc starts fermentation. So, diatonostoc ang starts fermentation why sila? Early stage bacteria. pH reduction, increased acidity. Flavor compounds, taste and aroma. Temperature affects fermentation speed. Microbial stability, balance of good bacteria. Then, mao naman ang last ako ang question. So, what is fermentation? Kung namati ka, Mr. Palora. What's ang fermentation?
Fermentation is a process that ang imong food nga imong i-preserve, ma-converts or mahimo siya nga mo-create o kanimo ka something ang ma-preserve ang imong food or conversion sugar acidity due to beneficial bacteria activity ay ang process.
So, next is what are the key microorganisms involved? Miss Corsan. Key microorganisms para sa fermentation. Ano sa mga Alright, thank you, no? So, Miss Nikki, takto kay basa man. Then, why is fermentation important? Ano importante kayo ang fermentation? Miss Amaro.
So, importante ang fermentation kay tungod atong sabi discuss ni Miss Elisana kaya nga para sa Korea ang katong fermentation nila ang kimchi is gigamit nila nga pang-preserve para sa ilang survival.
Okay, sino? Papaka na to si Miss fermentation is not just a simple process. It is a combination of microbial activity and chemical changes that improve food quality. Before we end, let us reflect what have may yung nakatunan sa atong topic karon. Anyone? Miss Umilda. May mo nakatunan.
answer
Ay mga nasablan lang.
Patanan.
ito ang question nila in sub, no? So kay na-diskutan mo na to dito nga, if too low ang temperature, is slow ang fermentation. Basta may kalayan nila, if paspas lang ang kuan, maura ba ang lasa or naay kalayan? Sa mga nakatilaw na og kimchi or atsara din na. Isa mo yung nakakuan nila og atsara. Ay na. Pagka nang hinay ang fermentation, asa may lasa sa atsara?
Since hindi naman yung fermentation and then lugay ulang bitaw yung fermented nga periods at time sa pag-ferment. Maybe kuan mas lamig sila.
So thank you. So today we learned that fermentation is a scientific and controlled process where microorganisms transform food by producing acid and flavor compounds. We also learned that factors like temperature and pH and microbial balance play a very important role in ensuring the fermentation is successful and safe. So always remember, microorganisms are responsible for
Fermentation. Fermentation.
microorganisms are responsible for fermentation. Acid production improves food safety and preservation. Temperature controls the speed and quality of fermentation. So, okay, connecta na to ni sa real life situation, no? Fermentation is not just a concept in classroom. It is something you can observe in your daily life. Foods like atsara, kimchi, and other pickled products undergo this same process we discussed. This means that understanding fermentation will help you analyze food quality, food safety, and even food preparation practices at home. And that's all for my topic. Thank you everything, and have a good day.